Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Ruchika and New Year literally demanded this video because I make some of these every year, but this time I missed out and I did not really make a monthly favorite except for January. So let's talk about my yearly favorites. In this video I'm gonna show you products and things or apps that I have been obsessed with this entire year. Whenever these kind of videos come up in my mind, I keep scrolling through my gallery and I search for whatever is very common in all the pictures, and everything above जो पूरा साल मुझे help किया है, that is my gold jewelry. Like I have been obsessed with gold jewelry this year, like gold dainty. I wear all these cute rings and earrings, and I quite have a collection now. I have like 7 to 8 of these organizers and I have jewelry everywhere. This video wasn't even planned, but I have jewelry everywhere around me. There's one more box here, there's one more box here. So that is how obsessed I am. I'm gonna give a few brand names in the description box down below, but my most favorite is this one. This ring has my entire heart. Look at this. It's like so big and so pretty, and I like something that will take your focus away. So this is my personal favorite, and I cannot really pick when it comes to jewelry because I have had a lot of favorites, but these two, whenever I'm traveling, ये दोनों मैं अपने transparent box में लेके चलती हूँ with safety pins because this is everything. These are from Chic and this is like so beautiful. I haven't seen a prettier necklace in life, and it's only for 299 rupees. It's so pretty. There are like hearts and hearts everywhere, and I think I've become this girly who's like, you know, hearts and butterflies and unicorns. I was always into butterflies and unicorns, but hearts is my this year's personal favorite. And the next one is this. This is like a snake coin jewelry. It's a coin जिसमें snake drawn है and it looks so good. Absolutely obsessed. Next comes this eyeshadow palette because as you can see it's like pretty used. मैंने पूरा साल इसको घिस के यूज किया है and I think I am obsessed. ये मैंने एक मीशो के वीडियो के लिए लिया था and it was for 400 rupees only. It's like a Nakli Beauty glazed gorgeous me palette, but I tried for the video and it really suited my skin. I use these random shades for blush sometimes. मतलब जब मैं जल्दी में होती हूँ and I don't need to like search for products or shoot a video, मैं इसमें dip करूँगी, लगा लूँगी. And I haven't faced, touch wood, I have been using this since पूरा साल, मतलब पूरा साल घिस के यूज किया है. You can look at the contour shade and the black shade right here. I did not have a skin issue or sensitivity, but I know there are people who really need good products for their skin. So if you are of that category, this is not for you. But if you're like me and your skin is सह लेता है थोड़ा, तो you can get this because पूरा face पे नहीं भी लगाओ तो eyes के लिए this is perfect. It's a very good eyeshadow palette. It has like so many colors, so of course it's travel friendly. You can just have this and you will be done for the day. The most important, sunscreen. This has been my sunscreen of the year, the Aqualogica Detan Plus UV sunscreen. I bought this. They did not send it to me or it wasn't even a PR. मैंने खरीदा अपने पैसों से because I thought that I needed like a detan sunscreen. ये होता क्या है ये सोच के मैंने ले लिया, but this product is like so good. I haven't really heard much reviews about this and it's not a trending product, but it's really good and it does the job. Mamaearth का भाई है शायद Aqualogica, and I like this more than Mamaearth products, and it's definitely a nice one. This has SPF 50 plus and PA 4 plus, UVA, UVB, and blue light protection as well. So I use this every time I'm shooting. मैंने अभी भी लगा के रखा है. Or if you're going to beaches, you know my entire year has been about beaches. So this has come really handy. Absolutely obsessed. Okay, so I'm not gonna talk about makeup anymore because we are gonna make a separate video for makeup. So let's talk about some apps. One, of course, the most trendy, Pinterest. I have been obsessed. मैं कुछ भी होता है life में, I'm gonna go and Pinterest and I'm gonna search for mood boards, for something nice. I'm gonna pin stuff, and I think Pinterest is not like a very trendy app right now. So let's talk about 17V28, which is a new app that I found out. So this is my new favorite app. 17V28 is the app's name. This is for Instagram carousel making. You can make those I don't know if you guys are creators or not, but even if you're not and you love posting on Instagram, you can make seamless carousels in this app. You can edit and then you can add on stickers. It's a beautiful app. I'm just gonna show an example of my Instagram, or you can go on my Instagram and check it for yourself. They are so good. It makes your feed so artsy and so pretty, and I think this is a new app because even I would not have heard about it. मैं बैठ के ऐप स्टोर पे जाती हूँ और पूरा ढूंढती रहती हूँ कि कुछ नया मिल जाए, कोई नया टिकटॉक का डुप्लीकेट मिल जाए. So I keep searching and I found this. I am so grateful. Next app that I'm going to talk about is used by most of you women. It's Newme, of course. एक साल पहले I don't even think Newme का इतना नाम था या कुछ था, but now they are doing so good. They have also launched a few of their jewelry pieces, and I got so many. As I said, I was obsessed with jewelry this year, so I have one right in front of me. These are the packaging that it comes in. I am obsessed with their clothing already. I'm wearing a Newme dress right now, and जब उन्होंने jewelry launch किया, I was like a fan. Like I also make my own jewelry right now, if you know Chic by Ruchika, but I think just because it's like a competition doesn't mean that I'm gonna say it's bad. Their jewelry products are really nice. Of course they're expensive, but I only buy जब कोई flash sale या coupon या कुछ चल रहा होता है, because otherwise I don't believe spending like 1,000 or 699 on a jewelry piece, because it is gonna tarnish no matter what. If it is not silver polished or if it is not like anti tarnish, वो tarnish होगा, खराब होगा. You have to like keep your jewelry in a certain way so that it's not ruined, but otherwise I think I love their products a lot. Also, I'm shooting this on Christmas night and I couldn't even shampoo my hair, so kind of having a bad oily hair day. Excusing that, oily hair के बारे में भी मेरे पास एक product है. I got the BBlunt dry shampoo. Beautiful dry shampoo. Like I am obsessed. I think I got 2 for 699, तो मैंने ले लिया, and I am obsessed. It really works, does the work. My hair smells nice and I wished I had that इस flat में, but अभी मेरे पास नहीं है. It's like so good. I'm gonna link it down below. I'm gonna link everything down below. A quick plug-in: if you want vision boards at $9.99 and customized, then you should go on Chic. Of course, you guys, next comes my hair color of the year. This is Paradise Glossy Hair Tint, natural looking hair color, no bleach required and visible on black hair. My shade was Cherry Coke, and I think I had this color for 7 to 8 months. So I mean, I'm not saying continuous 7 to 8 month तक रहा. मैं बोल रही हूँ कि मेरा बाल लाल था for about 8 months of the year, and I think I like my hair like this. I like the cherry color, and I am probably gonna buy something else from them, and I'm gonna try like a different no bleach color. If you're somebody who does not like bleaching your hair, this is definitely something that you should go with. I'm gonna upload a YouTube shorts जिसमें आपको दिखाऊंगी कि क्या आता है इसके अंदर, and probably I have already uploaded, so नीचे description में भी link मिल जाएगा, जाके description पूरा stop करो. Guys, here comes my next obsession and my favorite. This is Mimoso Beauty Tools, something in Spanish. Basically this is a face masking bowl. It comes with this bowl which is like super aesthetic and super pretty, and there's this spatula ऐसे mix करके लगाने के लिए, and there's this spray bottle, and then comes this measuring thing. So all of it is for only 190 rupees, and online में भी इतना कम नहीं मिलता. When it comes to Miniso or Mimoso, I am actually obsessed with most of their products, but I'm only gonna talk about things that are really like affordable and you need it in your life. So this is something which can like replace आपके जो normal mask होते हैं, because even I believe घर पे इतना सब कुछ होता है, you don't really need to buy masks. I have never bought a mask in my life. I've only received in PR and I've used, like, you can use masks, I'm not against it, but you can really make good rice flour masks at home, and that works for your skin. Not gonna lie, my skin has changed this year. I think I've like grown as a person, became more happy, and my skin also became happy. I drink 3 liters and more of water, and I think that really works out. Also for the spray bottle, I think you can use your rose petals and then spray it, or you can also use some castor oil in your hair with this. You can do like a lot of stuff, and this whole set is only for 190. If you do not get this on Miniso, let me know, because Miniso का कोई website तो है नहीं. Then I'll search for something and Meesho से मैं कोई link दे दूंगी, because of course Amazon में 190 का कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. Next is the tripod that I'm shooting in. This tripod comes with this selfie stick, so it really helps. अभी मैं अगर ये press कर दूंगी, video बंद हो जाएगा. So it really works out because I don't have to like go back and forth. I'm already sweating. पीछे एक light है, सामने एक light है. That is also a light that I'm obsessed with, and it's a part of this video. But whatever, it's really hot out here, and my head is already like always bursting when I'm shooting, because of course it's not humanly possible to sit there for 4 to 5 hours in such, you know, dense lighting. So this really works. You can just press it, video will pause automatically, and I don't have to like constantly go and grope my camera like that. And also of course it's a selfie stick, so basically you can click like a bunch of pictures. And because I love to travel a lot and I travel with my parents mostly, I don't like to disturb them. So this tripod, it's for 350 rupees, and what a tripod. I am absolutely obsessed with this one. If you're not using the tripod, does not matter, you can use this selfie stick on its own as well, because साथ में लेके घूमना है ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है. This works on Bluetooth and it's very good. So as you can see, this peeping light behind, this is the perfect light, and it has made my life. This is from Digitech, and Digitech is my favorite brand when it comes to like lighting. My ring light is from Digitech, and this very cute light is also from Digitech. It's not cute, it's like quite big, and I have to like travel with it, but it does the job. मतलब कहीं पे भी आप हो, it does the job. I got it and I got very disappointed. I think I got it before August, before my birthday, and I was very disappointed because इसके साथ battery नहीं आता, so you have to always plug it in. The battery is sold separately, so you can buy it. It's for 1500, but I believe अगर आप 5000 देके कुछ ले रहे हो तो थोड़ा उनको मतलब समझना चाहिए, and थोड़ा बैटरी भी देना चाहिए था, is what I believe. Or if not, then at least write it in big words that battery sold separately. It really works, but I have to get a battery for this, because फिर I'll be able to use it without the plugs, and then I think it will be even like, you know, my more favorite thing. But otherwise this light is like everything. I'm just gonna show you something. If I turn this and if I shut my ring light, That is how powerful this light is, and it's not a very small one. It's like super powerful and really does the job. There's a smaller version, वो थोड़ा पतला है, and I have that as well. वो मैंने February में लिया था and I regret it till date. 1500 का या 2000 का था. I wish वो मैं कहीं पे फेंक दूँ और like मेरे को पैसा वापस मिल जाए, because it does not work. उसका बैटरी नहीं चलता. I'm just gonna pop a picture here. उसका बैटरी नहीं चलता, उसका लाइट भी मतलब it's barely powerful, barely anything at all. So just don't buy something impulsively because आपके पास पैसा है. I think save up and buy this if you are really looking for a good light, and if you want like a separate tech product haul, if you're like a content creator or like an influencer and you want like products like these, then you can let me know in the comments and I'm gonna surely make that video for you. So these are the products that I was absolutely obsessed with in 2024, but to be honest there are more, but ये video बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा, so I'm just gonna cut it short. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. I love you all. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, comment something down below, and if you have reached till here, comment this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.